Hey, what's up guys? It's been a while. This is Jeff Carbuoy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sparkly clean your alloy wheels using the basic common tools you might have in your garage. So, and by doing that you achieve such a nice clean wheel without going to auto detail and pay hundreds of dollars. So let's go to the other wheel. So same wheel here, but this one needs some cleaning, so I'm gonna use this one here to show you exactly how I achieved the result on the other front wheel. So stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and let's get together. Let me show you what I'm gonna need here for this. So to achieve that result, all I need here is some water. I got a hose connected to that little machine right there. You need that machine. It's called the Greenworks. I have owned this machine for about 3 years and it's still working good. Check out on the description, there'll be a link if you need one. And that hose is very good because it goes all around the vehicle. Check it out on the description too. I also gonna need this kind of brush connected to a drill like this one. So the soap, I'm using the MJJC foam. Shampoo, you need a microfiber towel and a bucket of soapy water. There we go. And at least a brush here to clean the tire. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with some water and wet the wheel. Got it soaked nice and good. Next I'm gonna come in with this brush here, and I'm gonna make sure this one has some soap on it, the foam from the MJJC shampoo. Alright, after that one, the good thing about this brush right here, as you can see, it goes all the way in there, and it's also getting in and out. Nice, very good. And they came as a kit, so if you need that kit, make sure you check on the description of that video. There'll be a link. Now I'm done with this one. I'm gonna jump in with this kind of brush here to scrub off the tire. Whether you can see that. I know some of you might be asking why you didn't use a drill, because it has a connection for the drill, but it's much easier to use it like that compared with using it on a drill. It's more convenience to me. Alright, now it's time to rinse it out. Alright, it already starting to look good, but yet we gotta use a microfiber towel to scrub it off this side. The microfiber towel will hit all the areas that were missed by the brush. And there we go. Final step. And look at that. Looking good. Let me show you before. This is how it was. This is how the rear one that haven't been done looking like. And I'm comparing with this one. I like the results. That's how you do it, guys. And this is before. I'll let it dry, and then I'm going to apply the tire shine, and the results are going to be good, super good.